Swift here. When you need maximum coverage and sealing power, take it to the max with FLEX Max. Don't worry, guys. FLEX Tape Max is the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly stop giant leaks. Wow, looks like you got a lot of work to do. With FLEX Seal Liquid Max, you can cover huge areas for a strong waterproof seal. Now that's a lot of coverage. Whoa, let me help you with that. FLEX Glue Max creates a super strong bond on wet or dry surfaces. And it even works underwater. For maximum coverage and sealing power, take it to the max. With FLEX Max, your favorite FLEX Seal products are now giant size. Imagine everything you could do with the FLEX Seal family of products. Available at these fine retailers.